How is everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great start to the winter. As you can tell, we are covered here in snow right now, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, freeze rain tonight, I think 15 mils or something like that crazy, which is good. I mean, as much as I love the snow, we still have some winter projects out here to get done. This is the greenhouse. Well, future site of the greenhouse. I've showed you guys that a few times already, but we've got some of the foundations poured for the supports, but we can't do a whole lot till the snow melts. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get that up. But that's one of the other projects we want to get done. But the reason for this video today is I want to show you our little bunnies we had. Kristen's been breeding some rabbits, for meat rabbits for us for food, and as well, ideally we want to make some pelts out of them so we can do some slippers and mittens or whatever, pillows. So we'll head to the barn here. We'll show you some baby rabbits. We cleaned the barn the other day too because it was pretty gross. I didn't clean the rabbit cages for a while, but these are all the boys here. I think these ones are the girls, some of the girls. And these ones we're trying to breed as well, a Rex rabbit. But over here is the coolest part. Oh yeah, they're all out of their cages now. They're about 2 weeks old now, I think. But they're so adorable. Look at their little noses just munching away there. They're beautiful colors, these guys too. The mom is a nice looking rabbit. And so there are 8 total. They're just in their little nesting box there, keeping warm. We'll go ahead and we'll pick some up quickly. But they're so cute, so fluffy. So I'll hop inside there and pick a few up. Probably going to be disturbing some from their little sleep. Here you go. Here's a little hopper. So adorable. Just little bunny on the hands. Aren't you cute? Yeah. Such a cute little things. He's super soft. Oh, he's squirming a bit. And they're so small still that they hop right out through the cage here. It's hilarious. This guy, he would hop so fast, he jumps right out. But keeps coming back in. And here's Mama Rabbit. Hello, Mama Rabbit. She's a good rabbit. She's a nice little rabbit. Super soft. But yeah, I just want to show you the little baby rabbits we had. They're super adorable. And we were hoping to have, Kristen had bred another 3 or 4, but they didn't catch. So if they had caught, we probably would have had like 30 rabbits right now, which is a lot. But everyone fill the freezer up and probably sell some for pets as well and pelts, because we really want to get, you know, the full circle, use everything we can. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, here comes another one. Oh, one just hopped between my legs there. I don't know if you can see him there, or her. Chewing on my boot. But there you go. So I guys, hope that you enjoyed those little baby rabbits quickly. I just want to show you our new additions to the farm. They're super adorable, and we're hoping to have more. So we'll keep you guys up to date on our rabbit breeding program we're trying here. See what we can get. And the Rexes, the other Rexes we have, they're finer, softer fur. So the idea was with the Rexes was to have them for pelts, but the male Rexes died for some reason. And so we're going to probably have to crossbreed them with the non-Rexes and see what we get. But hopefully we get some nice pelts of them that way. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you out there. Bye.